Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
The new generation 2022 Infiniti QX60 will arrive in its final form on June 23 before going on sale in the US later this year. Infiniti has already shared the basic design of the new 3-row SUV thanks to the QX60 monograph concept car, and confirmed that it will use the same 3.5-liter V6 and 9-speed automatic transmission as the related 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. A new teaser photo shows a glimpse at the QX60's interior, suggesting it will use nicer materials and updated technology compared with the dated current model. The image shows a dashboard with quilted leather trim and a large infotainment screen. We can also see 3 physical knobs that seem to be for audio and climate controls. We don't expect the production spec QX60 to look too different from the monograph concept. The biggest changes will likely be to the headlights, taillights, door handles, and wheels. Its V6 engine will produce 295 horsepower, and Infiniti promises a towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds. It will also offer the propilot assist set of driver assistance features as an option. We'll find out more on June 23, and the 2022 QX60 will go on sale in the US this fall with a starting price that should be around $45,000. Thank you for watching this channel. Wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.